Hi, Majo. We're
Hi,
so happy for
Joe.
you and Richard. Finally, di ba, nag-settle down ka na and I'm sure God has so much to give you, both of you, yan, as husband and wife. So, yan talagang this is it. Yan. And all our prayers is for everything that is good in this world ay talagang ma-receive nyo ni Richard. We're so happy. We're so happy for this day na we have witnessed yung inyong pag-iisang dibdib. Yan. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for making us your ninong and ninang. We are so privileged. Diba? I have seen you grow. I've seen you grow talaga. I've seen your heartaches, everything. And what I have is witnessed today is a proof that really God is good. That really God is have been guiding you all this time, Majo. And thank God for guiding you um to your ano, what's that? Ano ba to? Yung iyong ano, knight in shining armor. And the perfect husband for you. Yan, si Richard. Sir Nico.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Chard. Maikli lang sasabihin ko. Mahal namin kayo. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Enjoy your journey. Enjoy your family. And uh,
Soon, babies.
ayun, expecting for more breakthroughs, more favor, more blessing from the Lord. Yun lang. Love namin kayo. God bless. God bless. God bless sa inyo dalawa.
God bless.